How you doing? You know, I missed you guys. Haven't seen you guys in a while. Well, it's MY here, 505RC, representing 0 to 100 Speed Club, coming to you with another great build. I'm working on an XO-1, Traxxas XO-1 7-scale supercar speed project, and my goal, 150 miles an hour. So I'm gonna take you through the course of this build. We got some great sponsors: Cal RC, Team Street Force, Boca Bearing, Max Amps, RC Hornet, High Gear RC, and the list goes on. So we're gonna do what we gotta do, get this car put together right, take you guys on this journey as I try my best to reach that 150 mile an hour mark. Alright, so I'm going to get started. First phase I want to do is rebuild some parts with the Boca bearings. So this is the Boca bearing kit that we selected. Great kit, great price. Make sure you check them out. Get at bocabearings.com. Make sure you get some of these. Now, I want to rebuild my rear diff, my front diff. Ooh. All my knuckles and hubs. Crusher drive gear. Got to rebuild the steering. There's some bearings in here. And of course the center drive shaft bearings. So I'm going to get started with the hubs. So first things first, need to remove these bearings and tap them out. Alright, that's my rear, front. Next phase we'll do is swap them out. So find my matches, my mates. So the Boca bearings come in part numbers and baggies like this with the part numbers listed on them. So there you can see what parts I'm using for what. You get 8 of these. Well, I need 6 right here. Alright. And I need 2 of these. Now we can plug them back in. So now both of my rear are done. Alright. Now to do the front knuckles. All that's done. Now, next up the back, drive shaft, center drive shaft bearings. Now, we're gonna use 2 of these. You get 3 in the kit. You go to Boca Bearing, they sell the kits by model. So you just go to Traxxas XO-1 and get a kit. You'll get all these great parts. So we'll slide these over. Go ahead and open up this and grab 2 of these out now. Alright, so if you saw what I did there, it's a little slot on the back side here. I hope you can see that pretty good. But this little slot right here, use that to just push the bearing out. Alright. And we'll push these tabs in and slide that holder out of there. Make sure these are the same, which they are. Slide the new one into the holder. Alright, there we got it. So, see we're spinning now. Yeah. Just got one more side to change, so I'll change that. In the meantime, let's move on to the next one. It's pretty simple. Just want to change this one out. It just pops right off. Match finders mate. It should be this one here. So you'll get one of these. And hey, that's done. So that's the bearing for your crush drive or spur gear or whatever you want to call it.